Hi Ramya, how are you? How are you?
Hi, Shabbat. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, and I'm very excited, and I'm very excited to share with you. Like we have to have many things to tell you. It's about transformation. So I'm really delighted to connect with you today, and I'm going to ask you a few questions related to you only. It's not something like GK and all everything, so don't have to get nervous. Okay. So my first question, I'd like to ask you some meaningful questions about your life, about your business, about your health, and so on. So tell me something about yourself. Am I audible?
Hi, Shadab. Yes, I can hear you.
Okay,
Am I
fine.
audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Fine.
My name is Ramya. I am an engineering graduate. I worked for nearly 7.5 years in IT. I was a IT engineer, and then 2 months back, I left my job. Now I'm exploring different options, and then just trying to find a way to make a difference in others' lives.
Okay,
That's it.
okay.
And I'm a proud mom of 1-year-old daughter. I have
Wow,
a
that's amazing.
daughter.
That's amazing.
All
This is a
yes.
coincidence, you know. Well, this is a coincidence, and even I'm an engineer. I'm a quality. I used to be a quality analyst. Okay, so this is a coincidence that two engineers are meeting on the call, on same call, of course. So I'd like to ask you something about about the thing is that you know uh, tell me about your life right now. I mean, where are you currently in your life? Uh, are you happy or uh, expect to be happy? So tell me about your life right now. As you have said, as you've given your intro, I mean to ask you, where are you right now, currently in your life? Are you getting me?
Same. Yeah, I hear you. It's the same as I said. I left my job 2 months back, so I
Okay,
don't have a job now. So
okay, okay.
I'm thinking whether to be a stay-at-home mom, to start my own business, or to go back to job again. I'm just thinking on those terms.
Okay.
I'm just having some cool time with my family, some me
Very nice.
time. Yeah,
That's
yes.
that's again. This is great. This is a great thing because usually people don't are not able to manage the time and since you're able to spend time with your family, you're a lucky person. Okay. Anyways, so moving on, and I would like to ask you something else. Like if you were to accomplish some goals in the next 6 months, like it's something sort of if you would fulfill some goals some goals in the next 6 months, so what would they be like?
I would have
And you
started
can't
something. I don't
have
know what it is, but
everything.
something.
Yeah.
No, no, something which will keep me financially independent. I'm a very strong and bold woman. I don't depend on
Very
others, and
nice.
I don't like to depend on others financially and emotionally. Emotional part, I can handle it on my own. Financially, since I have left my job, I'm exploring options and finding ways to be financially independent again. Yes.
Okay. No,
Mm.
actually,
Uh-huh.
as in, if you had imagine like if you had the lamp of Aladdin, like he had three wishes, okay, and
Okay.
and if you had uh, to ask the genie of the lamp for for, uh, for fulfilling your wishes, what would they be?
Yes.
Just imagine,
First,
just feel it,
I would
just
ask.
feel it.
Yeah, of course. I would ask 10,000 bitcoins on my name, first thing,
Oh,
so
that is
that
a
I'm
great thing,
financially independent.
because the price
So
of the
I'm
Bitcoin has gone higher.
independent. Yes, financially independent for the rest of my life. Then, second thing, I would have started my own successful business, being very famous, being very known to everyone, because that's very important when you are a business person. When you are an
Oh,
entrepreneur,
entrepreneur.
majority of your profit comes from your popularity, being known to others. So I want to be known to others in a good way, so that I can start my own business and have profits from day one. Third thing, I would want I want to travel the world along with my daughter. I want to travel the world, the whole world, along with my daughter.
Mhm.
So maybe I would, since I have the money, I would request what else?
Just imagine, okay,
Nothing very
just
much.
think that you have to, like, you have to do it, right? Like, and he goes like, you just now you said, you got to have 10,000, bitcoins, and just what
Yes.
else, like, like would you have, as an asset, apart from, this thing, like the
Mhm.
money issues and all,
Mhm.
like the money
I
thing
want
and
to
all.
be friend. I want to be a great friend to Tony Robbins and Arfin Khan.
Oh, same here, same
If
here.
I'm their friend, I can converse with them daily on different topics under the world. I can become one of the nuts just like them. I want to grow my coaching business. So just to know them, have a conversation with them on a daily basis, and then attend their programs. That would be a great add-on. Yes.
So since you have, since you want to become famous, uh, did you ever imagine that you would get a chance to talk to me?
No, I don't get you.
Did you imagine that you would get a chance to talk to a famous personality like me?
I don't think you're famous.
No, no, I'm very
At least,
famous actually. I'm very famous. Okay, anyway, so jokes apart, I'm moving to the next one. So, when you have achieved your goal, like having the 10,000 bitcoins and all, so, uh, uh, so, so what will it do for you?
it would make me a much more confident person, because
Confident
being
person.
financially independent is one of my insecurities now. People
Mm-hmm.
treat the same way. People treat me the same way. My family is the same. Everything is the same, but I have a great insecurity inside my mind.
Okay.
Whether this is fine, whether to depend on others for financial things, is this fine? I'm always the person who gives others, and to get the help, I feel very insecure inside. So that's the first thing. So that insecurity would be wiped off.
So
I'll be very confident person. The second thing is, I told I told 10,000 bitcoins, and
10,000
then
bitcoin,
what
and that
else?
matters a lot in this stage. It matters a lot.
Yes, yes. That's why I said it's being incredibly rich. And then the second one, I want to be famous. Once I'm famous, I think, oh my God, that would actually save a lot of time for me when I go for advertisements in a Facebook, or when I go for launching my own business. It would be much helpful, so that it would actually to earn the credibility,
Very nice.
among people as a very viable person, as a very, what to say, a person who can give results. That's equal to more than 10,000 bitcoins, because people trust you. So to gain the trust, if
Definitely.
I have the
Absolutely.
trust,
Absolutely
I
right.
think I would save a lot of money, time, and effort. So that would be a greatest
And
thing that I could
it's your
achieve
dream
in
to
life.
spend your time with your family, like your daughter. Is it your daughter or I guess
Daughter,
daughter?
daughter.
Okay, it's your daughter. I thought it was a son. Anyways, so on a scale uh, of of 1 to 10, how
Mm.
important is it to achieve uh, to achieve achieve the
It is
goal?
very important. I would say it is 10 on 10,
10 on
because
10.
to earn money and then to become famous, rich and famous, is something very important that I could take a gunshot for.
Oh, no, no,
I
no,
want to
no.
contribute to people.
Okay, okay, that's a
That's very
priority.
important,
That's a
because
priority in life
I have been
that you have to
I
become
have
rich.
been in the
Okay, please tell me.
I've
Sorry to
been in a
interrupt.
middle class family for quite a long time.
Okay.
We are a family where we earned money, we earned, we spent. I want to save something for my daughter, so that she doesn't get into this loop of earning and spending. So she can explore things, she can do whatever she wants. She can study whatever she wants. That's my
Definitely.
aim. That's why I want to
Definitely.
become rich.
Everyone in uh, including me, people want to see the upcoming generation to be financially independent, and they live the life they actually want to live, right? So uh,
Yes.
so so that's the reason. Okay. Coming to the next one. Okay. So what's stopping you from having this? What's stopping you? Are there any hurdles or something?
What's stopping me?
Yeah,
Yes,
that's a
what's
that's a
stopping
good
me
one.
in that? I think it's a kind of fear of success and failure. When there is success, I have fear. When there is failure, I have a fear. So I feel like I have a tug of war inside my heart and head. I want success. I don't want success. I want failure. I don't want failure. There is no clarity in this, and then I have a lot of fears whether I'll be able to do this, whether I'll be able to do this. So what happens is even to exist a normal life, it has become very
There is
difficult
some
because of fears.
some self doubt or something like that's stopping you.
Yes,
So,
true. Self doubt. Yes, it
choose your
is. It is.
fear. So choose the fear. Like if you like if you want to be a successful man, then you have a fear, and uh,
Yes,
and the failure you also have a fear. So choose your fear,
yes.
whether it's
My
success or
fear
failure.
is that both. I have fear for success. I have fear for failure. I have
Everything,
fear
every
for
like
both.
everyone is
Everything.
having that. Yeah, everyone is having that. But according to me, according to me, if I were you, I would have said that like people are suffering from this only. So why not get off the trap? Just go for it, and then you see the magic, right?
Yes, I should go for it, but I think I give a lot of excuses to myself. I'm not
Okay, okay,
focused. That's what I believe,
yeah.
I think. Actually, I'm more than committed, more than focused, but in my head, I'm a person who's not
There's a
committed,
kind of
who's
self
not.
doubt in your head. Yeah, I got it.
Yes,
I,
they are
I
self
got you.
doubts that I'm not committed, I'm not focused, I'm not doing the job right. I want to have everything in perfect. I want to just have a perfect shot. If there is a video, it should be perfect. If there is a coaching, it should be perfect. There is a client, he must pay it on spot.
My God, that's good. That's something great.
That's
Okay,
too
okay.
much of
That's a
perfection
problem
that
with everyone.
actually
That's a
stops.
problem with most of us. Like there's a problem with most of us. Not only you.
Yes,
So don't have to worry about that. We will get we'll get some clarity for sure. So
sure,
don't mind.
sure.
Moving on the next one. After the it's the roadblock. It's the consequences. So what if you don't like so so what if you don't like achieve your dreams? Then
Oh my
what
God.
impact? What impact? Uh, uh, I'm asking you, if you don't achieve your dream, what impact would it have on you?
I already have a greatest impact on my self-esteem since I have left my job. I'm just
Okay.
thinking what people will think of me. What if I don't earn much? So all these things are already running in my mind. So it would have a great toll on my self-esteem, the way I see myself. So if I don't succeed in my life, if I don't become rich, or if I don't become famous by adding value to other people, I would think I haven't lived a good life, and that I would feel very sad about myself. I would I would be very pathetic on my own terms. I think I would I would not be a good person in total, because I always want to be a great inspiration to others. I always want to be I was always want my parents to be proud of me. Oh, this is my daughter.
My God. Nah,
She has
yeah,
done
yeah.
a lot of stuff.
Yeah,
She
that's a
has
good one.
written
Yeah, that's a
books.
good one.
She
So
has
you have a
coached
kind of
people.
hope, and there are kind of and there's some kind of and there's some kind of expectation from your parents
No,
that'll
it's not
push
about
you.
expectation. It's they always love me with no boundaries, no strings attached. But if
Definitely.
I want to make them proud, I want to make them proud. I want them to be very happy for bringing me to this world, because being a mom, I know how hard it is to raise a child.
Yeah,
You give
I
a
agree.
lot
I
of
agree.
time to them. You give a lot of effort, money. They are
Mhm.
your biggest investment. So if my daughter becomes a great person, I would be very happy. I would feel that my life is complete. Yes, my daughter has really become a great person. So I want the feeling of completeness for my parents. I want my parents to feel so complete and happy for bringing me to this world. Oh, my daughter, I'm so proud of her. I want them to feel that. Yes, that's the if I don't achieve my dreams, I think that would be a great dent and void in my heart, that I haven't lived up to my own expectations. Yes.
Okay. 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 So the thing is that there are. Excuse me. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. 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 So now we can move on.
Mhm.
So like uh, so, so like you have the obstacle, as you said, that's a fear of failure, and there's a kind of self doubt that's stopping you from moving of you
Shubham,
taking a
I
step
don't think
ahead.
I have self-doubt. I am very confident person.
Very nice.
If
Okay, okay,
I'm
very nice.
looking,
That means you have the failure. That means you have the
yes,
fear of
I have the
failure.
fear of success. I have the fear of failures. I don't have self-doubt. I don't have any doubts on my potential or talents.
Very nice.
I honestly believe that I'm a very talented person,
Honestly,
very
okay,
passionate
fine.
about work.
That's
Yes,
nice. That's
so
nice. I
yes,
used to
that's
have,
a fear.
I used to have a self doubt, but as I moved on, the fear of failure just disappeared. Like it was over. Okay, so moving
Mhm.
on to the next one, like if you could uh, get get over this obstacle, how would it change your life? How would it?
Oh, I think it would be heaven on earth for me. I
Wow.
would be very happy, very confident, and I'll feel out of the world. I feel that I would be more alive, rather than just existing on this earth. I would feel as a more alive person who just does what she wants, who achieves what she believes in, who executes what she
So are you
plans.
feeling it right now? Are you feeling the potential inside you right now? Talk to me
I'm feeling it
frankly.
right now.
Right.
Just the imagination of it is bringing me so much of happiness. If I could achieve these things, if I could cross over my obstacle of fears, I think I would be unstoppable. I would be the real hero or real star that I'm looking forward to become. Yes.
Okay, fine. That was something, that was something amazing. Like I was able to connect with you, and like I was feeling the thing that they were saying, that was full of excitement, and there was a happiness, and there was an
Yes.
expression that was a happy face, and I just liked it. I just felt it like you were very happy. You just felt the dream inside you. Okay, so moving on. So moving on. So after having this conversation, so what have you got from this conversation
Mhm.
so far? What have you got from
I
this conversation?
I always had I always had this belief, and then it's just a reiteration of what I believe, that I'm the person who is stopping my success. I'm the person who is just in the waiting zone of success. It's me. It's at the end of the day, it's just me. I'm not actually just going forward it. I just taking that action what it's required and then making it happen. I'm the one who is stopping my own success.
Okay,
That's my takeaway. Yes.
okay, fine, fine, fine. That was something great. Uh, I had I have seen your experiences right now, and that was a pleasure. So, so I would like to tell you to tell something that would that would be beneficial. So, so if you allow me, I can share something that would help you achieve your dreams. Achieve your dreams literally. So, are you ready if I
Sure, why
share
not?
something? Yeah. Okay, thank you
Yeah,
so
no,
much.
please
Thank
go
you so
ahead.
much. So we have a system, like we have a system that is going on for for a long period of time, and this system has been tried over and over again, and this system works every single time. Okay, so we have a 10-week program. We have a 10 week we have a 10-week incredible you program, and this is something
Mhm.
like it is it's about people who are stuck, like you have the fear of failure. So if you have a proper mindset, then we can then we can just just achieve everything effortlessly. So the 10-week program here, and I would like to discuss to you in detail. If you don't mind, just bear with me. Yeah. So the first module is discover your inner DNA. It's about discovering who you are and what drives you and what drives you. Okay, this is the first module of the program. Okay, okay. Are you getting me?
Yes.
If you're not able to hear me, you can ask me some questions. No doubt. If you have any doubt, you can come to me. Okay, fine. Anyway, second module. Second module is IPC. That is, I feeling bored. Okay, no problem, no problem.
No,
Second one is second one is integrated power coding. This how discovering how to reprogram and reload new codes that serve your uh, DNA and decisions. Okay, so there are some codes that's going on that are going on inside the head. There are some positive, there are some negative, and we have to discover them, and based upon the positivity and the negativity, how we make how we make the decisions. Okay. Third one is outcomes plus, and this outcome plus, the third module I'm talking about is outcome plus. Third,
mm,
like it is, it's it's different from the traditional goal setting. It is like it is like uh different from the traditional goals. It's defining your outcomes to actually achieve uh, what you want, exactly what you want. Okay, so moving on to the next one, of course. Fourth one is unleash you. Understanding. It's about understanding which people affect you, and where you spend most of your time. Most of your time, like it's about revealing your true self. It's about where do you spend most of the time with the circle you're surrounded in. And this is the thing, like we shall discuss in detail. And you shall definitely get a clarity about the thing. You haven't doubt haven't doubt till now. If you have any
no,
doubt,
no,
you can ask
Siddharth.
me. If you have any doubt,
I
you can
don't have
ask me
any
for sure.
doubts.
Fine then. And the fifth and the last module is the success blueprint. So here, your personal blueprint. So there shall be a dream. The dreams that you have to achieve, and and you have to jot it down somewhere, and those things written or printed somewhere, you won't be able to forget the dreams, and and that shall keep you reminding of your dreams so that you don't forget, and you will say to yourself, yes, that I have to achieve this, uh, like uh, like uh, like it's within a period of time, like it's 3 years or 1 year or 5 year or whatever, and this shall give you a clarity, of course. So this, five module, it's very interesting. Just trust me, you're going to achieve a clarity. And like as I've explained to you, like we have a 10 week this is the incredible you journey, as I've said earlier. So the fees is about 40,000. It's only 40,000 due to the pandemic. We have we have set the fees to 40,000, and if you registered right now, you can pay 10,000 because there are some because there are some limited seats available right now. And if you register right now, will uh, you will get a clarity, and we are starting from the next week itself. So are you ready? Do you want to get into something that'll give you clarity? Are you ready, Ramya?
Uh, mm, what is the cost, Shadab? You said
It's
5,000
40.
and then you said 40.
No, no, no. That's a registration. That's a registration part. It's 40,000. The total fee is 40,000. And if you register right now, since there's limited seats available right now, you have you can pay me 10,000, and you can book your seat right now. So are you ready? Are you ready to go into the
Uh,
roller coaster?
Shadab, as I already said, now I don't have a job. So investing 40,000 rupees, I think it would be hard for self-development.
Okay, okay, I understand. But still, see, the thing is that you have to see because you have to see the priority of yourself, because money is never an issue. Like if you want to, like if you want to achieve your dream, then that should be a priority, and that should be a priority for you. So what's the priority currently in your life? I would like to ask
Priority
you.
is to be financially independent, to earn money, not to
Financially
spend.
independent, absolutely right. So for that you have to, so for so for that you have to get a clarity of the mindset, and we will give you a mindset that'll make you work just effortlessly. Now that'll be effortless, and trust me, that is going to give you a change, a transformation that you want from life. So are you ready to go into the roller coaster?
Do you have any proof or do you have any testimonials, Shadab?
Yeah, definitely, because like we have done this, we are doing this, and I'm doing this for the last 2 years, and people have experienced a lot, and they just thank me just thank me every time, and and they're connected to me right now even, and they thank me for the transformation. I can provide for you right now, if you want. I provide right now. If you want to see something, then definitely you should go for it. Just trust me. That is going to be the thing that you really want from life. So are you ready? Just trust me. Just trust me. It's going to be fun. It's going to be adventurous. Tell me. You can take your time, of course. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
So I'm ready. If you have an issue, you can just register at rupees 5,000 right now to book your seat, because I'm telling you the limited.
Shadab, with 5,000, will I be able to start the class? And if I
Sure,
don't like the class, will I be able to back off?
sure. After that, we can just sort a way out, and you can pay me after some time. Like after the 3 weeks, you can pay me in the installments. So not an issue. Like you don't have to pay me the whole amount altogether. If you wish to do so, we can pay in installments. Not an issue. So are you ready?
Uh,
Tell me frankly. Yeah.
as I said, Shadab, 5,000 rupees I can start with. In case I don't like it, I would like to stop over there with 5,000 rupees.
No.
Instead, if I like it, I would like to continue.
No, definitely, like, we had a conversation we are going through this, and I'll just make you experience. It's not that you won't like it. Uh, uh, I can say that. So if you want to register your seat, just register now without giving a second thought. Because if you do it right now, because now or never. So see
Okay,
into it. Yeah.
let me give it a shot. I'll go for 5,000 rupees. So if it works, then let's see.
You can register it for 5,000 rupees right now. And definitely, I would say that it's going to make a huge transformation in your life. But but the thing is that you have to be self accountable. It's accountability is on you, that depends upon you at the same time. Because if you don't work the right way, then you're not going to achieve what you want. It's self accountability at the same time. It's not guaranteed, but I assure you that if you do it the right way, then no one can stop you uh, from achieving the goals you want in life. So tell me.
Okay, Shadab, let's try. Let's give it a shot.
Okay, thank you. So you have registered, and congratulations. So you have registered, and now you're a
Thank
member
you.
of this team, and now you're a part of the family right now. So it's great to see you. So so we are starting the program from the next week, and you're welcome. And you see the transformation in yourself. As I said, you have to work and you have to focus this time. So, are you happy? How are you feeling? How are you feeling? Are you feeling excited?
Yes.
Good. I expected that only. Okay, fine. So okay, let's give it a day off right now, and then we can just get in touch. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So catch you later, Ramya. Have a great day.
Bye, Shadab.
Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Thank
Okay,
you so
bye
much.
bye. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.